Hello learners, I welcome you all to the 11th module on role and function of school counselor. The role and function of the school counselor has been one of the most controversial and debatable issues in school counseling. The debate is all about the difficulties that the school counselors have faced in finding a platform and establishing a clear professional identity. The debate is also centered about what steps should be taken to overcome these issues and problems. In the forthcoming modules, the crucial issues that are associated with the role and function of school counselor, such as historical perspective, the current ASCA role statement, school counselor's role and function working in elementary, middle and high schools, as well as rural schools will be discussed. In this module, we will try to learn just about what do school counselors do, what are their role and function. So, the learning objective of this video would be to identify the need for a school counselor in a school and recognize the role and function of a school counselor. Normally, when we think about the role of counselor, we understand that the primary role of a counselor is to assist clients to resolve their problems, negativities, inhibitions, rehabilitate and improve quality of life to reach the optimum level of their psychological functioning. In 1997, the American Counseling Association adopted the following definition of professional counseling. It is the application of mental health, psychological or human development principles through cognitive, affective, behavioral or systematic intervention strategies that address wellness, personal growth or career development as well as pathology. When we look into the literature, there are various views, ideas and varying notions about the role and the function of a school counselor or what a school counselor is supposed to do. We see a constructed or a narrow description of a counselor's role and function. Functions, when rather called as responsibilities or accountabilities, we can notice that the demand for a person who can really take up the responsibility is high. In Western countries, the scope for the responsibility along with the demands for a school counselor has been increasing. In Indian context, though the demand for a person who can really take up the responsibility is high, we are yet to see the term school counselor getting the scope and importance in school. When we review the literature on the school counseling or the role and function of a school counselor, much of the literature comes from the studies carried out in other countries than from India. We can clearly say that the developed countries have contributed to the literature more than the developing countries. It is evident that in India, the terms such as school counseling, school counselor, the roles and functions of school counselor have not been given much thought. Several authors have mentioned about the role and functions of school counselors as being helpful and involved in providing guidance, counseling and mental health services. According to House and Martin, 1998, school counselors have powerful role to play in promoting student advocacy, developing higher educational and career aspiration in students, eradicating inequalities among the students in the educational practices like stratified opportunities among disadvantaged students. And the last one is maintain data patterns to identify educational practices that may help or hinder student progress. With regard to the functions of school counselor, McLaugh in 1993 brings about three elements in the context of school and school counseling. That is an educative function, a reflective function, a welfare function. An educative function is to develop students personally and socially. And reflective function is the exploration of the possible impact on personal and social development and mental health practices in the classroom and in the other facets of school environment. A welfare function is the responsibility of planning students' welfare as well as to respond to the issues regarding students' welfare. I hope we have understood in a nutshell about the role and functions of a school counselor as conveyed by some of the authors. In the next video, let us see the role and functions of school counselor in the Indian scenario. Thank you.